Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change a Jeep Cherokee headlight. First, gather your tools. You'll need a flathead screwdriver and your replacement headlight bulb. Make sure your vehicle is completely off and the engine has cooled down. It's also a good idea to consult your owner's manual to confirm the correct bulb type for your specific model. This ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Next, we need to access the headlight assembly. Locate the two retaining pins positioned at the top of the headlight unit. Using your flathead screwdriver, or even just your fingers, carefully pull these pins straight up and out. Once the pins are removed, gently pull the entire headlight assembly forward. It should slide out of its clips with a little effort, revealing the bulb. Now that the assembly is out, you can replace the bulb. First, disconnect the electrical connector from the back of the old bulb. Then, twist the old bulb counterclockwise to release it from its housing. Carefully remove it. Take your new bulb, insert it into the housing, and twist it clockwise until it feels secure. Finally, reconnect the electrical connector to the new bulb, ensuring a snug fit. To finish up, carefully slide the headlight assembly back into its original position on your Jeep. Make sure it aligns correctly with the mounting points. Then, reinsert the two retaining pins you removed earlier, pushing them down firmly until they click into place, securing the assembly. Before you hit the road, turn on your vehicle and test your new headlight to confirm it's working. Also, check the description for a link to some great leak-proof meal prep containers and other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.